What's up, my Creative Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Creative Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about how to apply for a Navy Federal credit card with bad credit. So, and don't forget to watch to the very end so you won't miss out that bonus information that I got for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? Now, today I'm coming to you with this Navy Federal 20K hack and also how to get these credit cards with bad credit. Now, the first thing that you need to look at on your credit report. Now, you need to make sure that your personal information is correct. That make sure your name of your name is spelled correctly, your address is on there right, and make sure there's only one address on there because if they see you at multiple addresses, they think that you move around very quickly. And also make sure there's no errors on your credit report, like your name is spelled correctly, okay? Or if you are a junior or a senior, to make sure that their information is not on your account because of your name is similar, the information can appear on your account. Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about is your credit score. Now, to get these cards, you need to make sure that you have something on your account, okay? And you need to be in the 600 and above range to get some of these cards, even when between 620 or 640. Now, if you have like a revolving loan or a personal loan on your account, that will work. Also, like a car payment or something like that, that'll be perfect. Now, the second thing is no, the third thing is who you should apply with. Now, if you're with Navy Federal, it's great. You should apply with Navy Federal because they are a they are a great bank, and they also help with you to build your personal credit. Now, if you can't get into Navy Federal, that's fine. Go with your personal bank account. Bank and make sure it's a credit union because I think that you should have at least two different accounts with two different banks, which is what I'm trying to say. Is because of the fact that if you have a big bank like Bank of America, they will provide you with some things, but your credit report has to be a lot higher than if you do with your local credit union, okay? Because your local credit union, you can actually build that credit relationship with them. I do have a video about banking relationship. I'll post it up here and I'll leave it in the comments below, okay? And then okay, I'm coming to you with three Navy Federal credit cards. The first one is the Go Rewards. You could save on interest with a low APR for the first 6 months of the card, which when you open the card, okay? Now, this card, you have to have an average to excellent credit score. That's anywhere between 7 and above. So this might not meet everybody's criteria, but it is a great credit card to have, okay? Okay, you guys. Now, the second card that I'm coming to you today is this flagship reward cards. It is a 30K bonus points when you spend $3,000. Now, you also get that low APR on your purchases the first 6 months, as well as Amazon free for a whole year. So it pays for your Amazon. So, I mean, you can't beat that. You get Amazon for a whole year, which Amazon is over $120. So this is a great card. Now, this card is for people with very good to excellent and credit. So, if your credit score is anywhere above around a 670 above with no errors, now this will be a great card for you, especially if you like to travel. You can't beat that at all. Okay, you guys, last but not least, I'm calling you about the Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards card. Now, this card here, it is a 20K bonus points when you spend 2K within 90 days. So, I mean, if you can't get the flagship, hey, this More Rewards American Express card is the next big thing. And also, Okay, this is for average to excellent credit. So this meets should meet everybody's standard. And this one here, you get perks on groceries and everyday spending. So this is just a card that you should use instead of your debit card. Okay. Now I'm gonna talk later on about a next episode about not using your debit card at all. We should never use our debit card. Okay, when it comes to building credit. Okay, so those are the top three credit cards that you should use or get when you're with Navy Federal. And if you're not with Navy Federal, go to your personal bank account. Let them know exactly what you're doing, and they will offer you, if you qualify, they will offer you credit cards that will help you. And some banks do have these types of cards. So only thing you have to do is ask. Like I tell my kids, there's no such thing as a stupid question. So come on, y'all, let's get this. Okay? My name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Let's take credit to the next level. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.